Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the alert saving failed in TradingView error. So here is how you can easily fix this issue. Step 1 is you can simple check your internet connection. So this is a most common fix. In that case, you can simple try to switch your network. If you have having a multiple Wi-Fi networks, you can simple try to connect with the another Wi-Fi network, or you can also use your mobile data. You can turn on your mobile data and connect with turn on hotspot and give them your trading view in which devices it will logged in. You can simple give them a Wi-Fi access and then try to switch between networks and again check that. And now if this issue again occurs, so now you can follow the next step. The next step is you can simple check the alert limit. So once you open the alert tab, here you will see the check number of active alerts. So now if you are having a subscription, so firstly you can check that how many alerts you can add in your trading view, because every subscription have its own limit. So make sure that you will not reach your limit. If you reached, you can simple delete the alert and then you can simple add a new one. Okay, so if I am creating more alerts, like see here, so then it will gives me a error because in free version I can only create one. So now you can check your subscription and check how many errors you can create. Okay, the next step is you can simple fix the alert settings. So once you recreate the alert carefully, make sure that you will enter a valid condition, price indicator exists, expiry date, and the symbol is corrected. If not, then after you will get the error. Okay, so the next step is you can simple refresh the chart and reload the trading view. Sometimes simple reload and refresh it can simple fix the many problems related to the trading view. In that case, you can simple close the tab or close the window and then restart your laptop or PC and again open the trading view and check that the issue still exists or not. If exists, in that case, you can simple log out and then re-log in. Okay, simple press the button, the profile icon, click on sign out and then logged out. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.